Hello and welcome to Edin Revit tutorials. Window creating tutorial series continues, and in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create decorative moldings on this window panel. I make my research about this term because my English is not very good, and I find that there are different words for this part, for this element here. In some places I find that they call it grilles, some places decorative moldings. I will use decorative moldings in this tutorial, so you know what am I talking about. I explain this only for you to make clear for you to know what am I talking about. Now, just to remember, I already made 3 tutorials, and in first tutorial I made a presentation of this window with all its parameters and nested families. In second one I showed you how to create the frame of this window. In third one I tried to show you how to create family panel with opening directions and with parameter where we can change opening directions in the way we want it. And this parameter is more important parameter for solving mismatch between Revit window families and legends. And now in this parameter here, changing the values, we will change the opening directions in the same time in project and in legends. And the changes in the project will follow changes in the legends, or I should say opposite. The changes in legends will follow the changes in project in the same time. You understand? Okay, as you can see, changing the numbers in this parameter here, we change the opening directions in different ways. Here we have opening directions that I use in our country. You can add more different opening directions by standards in your country. I just try to show you a principle, working principle of this parameter. All right. And now we will start creating decorative moldings of this window. We will use the window panel family. As you can know, I just to remember, this window is made from different types of nested families. This window panel is one of them. And now we have 4 horizontal lines. That's why I'm going to add 4 reference plan. We will first we will make preparations with reference plans and parameters. Then I will show you how to model the decorative moldings or grilles. Now here I'll just to show you how the parameters of molding white works. Here, changing this value, you can change the height of the moldings as much as you need. And all these parameters can be created by with shared parameters, and these informations can be used for creating schedule schedule of the windows. Okay, now here we will create 2 reference plan more. Now I will copy here and here, and now I will add dimensions, make them equal, and I will lock them. The reason why I lock them, because I want for these 2 reference plane to follow the reference plane in the middle, and the reference plane that's in the middle is going to follow the changes on the window height. I will show you later. I will add also dimensions for these reference plane in the middle. Now I will add dimensions for this one, make it equal, this one too, this one too. Okay. Now I will add the dimensions for parameter, for molding height parameter. Okay. All right. Just to see, yes. All right. And now I will call this parameter this molding. Okay. Byte. All right. It's here. Okay, good. And now I will add the dimensions for this reference plan. They are going to move between from here, here, and here. We don't here we have a frame of this window panel, and the height of the frame we will not use the height of the frame. The changes are going to be in between the window frames. Okay, and now I will create the moldings using extrusion. All right, here I will lock the lines to the reference plans, so they are going to follow the changes on the reference plan, on the reference plans. Okay, now we will add the 2 more reference plans for in the floor plan too, for thickness of the moldings, and this is going to be unchangeable parameter, so I will lock these dimensions here. Okay. Now I will align them and lock this extrusion to the reference plans I just created. And to see in 3D view, it's we have small problem here. Now first of all I will create reference plans for vertical molding. Okay. The y parameter of this molding is going to be same as for horizontal ones. Here we will make this equal. Okay. And we will add the parameter for molding height. All right. This is ready too. And now we will create the vertical one. We will lock these lines and click OK. Now we will move this to the middle of the. We will lock it to the reference plane of vertical molding, and we are going to create moldings of the on the left side symmetrically. Like this. Okay. We will lock these dimensions, this line to the reference plane. Okay. All right. This is good. We get our warnings. Now we will lock this part here to the reference plane for thickness of the moldings. Okay. And on the 3D, it's perfect. All right. Now we will cut the part where glass is with void, and as you can see, we lock the lines to the thickness of the glass. It's cutting it already, but in the same time it cuts the glass, so we will going to uncut the glass. You can see like this, in this way. All right. And now we will align it to the top and to the bottom of the frame profiles. And we will cut the horizontal moldings. It's now it's complete. Okay, it's great now. All right, just to check how it works. We have small problem here somewhere. We locked some. Okay, now it's fixed. Just to try the parameter. Okay. The height is good. Height is great. All right. The other parameters works great. All right. All right. This one is great too. And All right, our parameter working great. The white, the thickness of the panel is working great too. The profiles follow the changes on the panel frame. Everything is great. All right. Now we will add only the what left is material parameter. It's going to be molding material. Okay. This one is ready. In the next tutorial, this is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will try to show you how to create all other elements. I will try to make it as an one single tutorial, but if it's going to be very long, then I will try to separate them in the parts. This was fourth part, and that's all for this tutorial. Till the next one.